1.5 pages. Yeah, one and a half, almost 2 pages anyway. So you log in the normal way, yeah, okay, without even wasting your time. The first thing which you have to do is to make sure that all those branches which you have, you bring them into the system, which I have already done for you. So when you come here under create branches, that's where you create your branches. Here where it says main business operations, okay, this is where now this represents your head office. Of course, when we send you the actual one, you have to tell us what name you'll be using in here, okay? Yeah, the others you can do it on your own. You can change them as you wish. Okay, fine. So now the next thing which we did is to also create the raw material warehouse because we realized that you'll be dealing with raw materials as well. Then, as per your writings here, then you have that branch there. Then you have also this other branch here. Then you have also the stores warehouse. Okay, now, maybe this one you want it to be in small letters. You can easily do it like this, no problem. Stores, stores warehouse, okay? So that it becomes uniform. Then you can put it there. After I've done this good job, the next thing is to make sure that you put in the stock codes here, okay, under create stock codes. So I've already done some for you. So for example, clothing, this is the code which I've assigned there. And this product falls under raw materials. Okay, since it's a raw materials, if you check here, where we are saying tick if the product is for sale, we have not ticked it because this one is not for sale. As simple as that. So all those products which are not for sale, don't tick it. The moment you tick here, you're telling the software that actually this product is for sale, which is incorrect. As you can see, I've captured all these nails, okay, as raw materials, cotton materials, yeah, wood materials, all these special materials. I've also done that. Then king size bed. These are finished goods. So as you can see, sticked here. And where do they go? Where do you stock them? Main business operations. Okay. Next, we are saying 3/4. Where do you stock it? In the main business operations. Okay. Next, single bed. Where do you stock it? Main business operations. Then pillows. Where do you stock it? Main business operations. It means that these are for sale. Okay, we are going to deal with the sales module, yeah, which at a later, the second video which I'm going to send. That's where you're going to see this issue where you wanted that, okay, a sales might need to be attached with the sales, whatever they have made for the purpose of commission. That one is already dealt with it, but we'll show you on the second video. For now, let's deal with it. Inventory, production, transfers, and procurement. That's it. The next video it will cover that. Okay. Yeah. So now, without wasting your time, let's see bring in the inventory which is on the floor. Okay. Remember there is also opening stock there. What do we do with opening stock? Once you bring this form, you simply come here. When do you want to bring the opening stock? Let's say today. Okay. Right now, we need the opening stock. Okay, let's say 1st May. Okay, no, okay, 31st May, we are bringing in the opening stock in which warehouse? Let's say opening stock for main business here. Okay, right? So now here, you have to be very careful. Which stock are you putting in as into the main warehouse? So for finished product, you see only the king size here, 3/4, single and pillows. Of course, the one which you are going to see, it will filter this. As the moment you select that, it will filter here. Because we have already realized to say some can easily assign a raw material warehouse in a wrong warehouse. So do the filtering for you. Don't worry about this. Okay, let's move on. So How many? Let's say here we have 1,200. These are too many. Let's say 50. Okay. What is the cost of production for this? Maybe 18,500. Okay. Do they expire this? No, they don't. Okay. Then we move on. The other one, 3/4. How many? Let's say 60. At what cost? Maybe 9,500. Do they expire? No, they don't. Okay. The next one is what? Single bed. Okay. How many? 55. Okay. Maybe these are going at 6,000. These are the cost price, you see. The cost before you add that markup for your profit. Okay. The cost of production, that's the cost which goes in there. Okay. Yeah. Right. Mhm. This one, remember we're dealing with the opening stock only. Okay, these are maybe 14. All right. Oh no, let's say 140 euros. Okay, each is going at 150. Right. Okay, the cost of production here. We are dealing with the cost of production. You save here, right? After finishing. Now let's bring in also the raw materials, right? Oh, sorry, I forgot to put the date. I needed the date. Yeah, sorry. There. So the raw materials are here. Okay. Maybe raw materials, clothing you have, let's say 20,000 materials that the kg each is going at 56.3, like that. Okay. Mhm. Now, nails, you have 200 kgs. Okay, going at 25 kwacha per kg. Okay, then which other one? Cotton material, you have 10,000. Okay, kgs or whatever it is. These are just examples. Anyway, you can put the correct figures. Each make is going at 10 kwacha per kg. Okay. These are cost price. We just want to attach the cost. Wood, you have maybe 5,000 meters. Okay. Per meter, how much? Maybe 4 kwacha point 53 ngwe. Right? Mhm. Then you have special material. Okay. How many? 4,500 kgs. The kgs, how much? 3 kwacha point 56 ngwe. All right. Done. Now, okay, I won't do anything. If I come here and do this, okay, let's see. Right, 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 right. Mm, right, 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 right. Okay, I'll explain me why I'm doing this. I just want to see the stock which are in that warehouse, right? Have you seen that it's showing nothing there? Why? Because we haven't posted the journal. I did it deliberately so that you understand the point. So now let's go back and post or authorize that journal which we created here. Okay? So I'll come here and say, okay, before I authorize the journal, what if I have made a mistake on journal number 4? What should I do? How do I correct it? You simply select it, it will come back here. Then you can do the correction. Okay, that's it. That's all what you need to do. So now let's post it, that one. Okay, post. Okay, yeah, right. Now, what if you want to correct that you posted journal? Is it going to allow you? No. Once a journal, it says the document is already approved that cannot be edited. Once you post it, forget it is gone. So, but this one which is not yet approved, you can, no problem. This one, if I do that, it will still come back. Okay. But the moment I approve it, it's gone for good. Okay. Yeah, so approved. Now let me take you back there. You see your inventory because you wanted to be seeing the inventory for each warehouse. What is there? Okay, what is lying in there? Okay, you come here under stock report. So let's start with the finished goods. Okay, we start with that one up to this one, this date. Which one? This one. Okay, main business operation. Then here you select it from the beginning to the end. Don't worry about the sorting. The system will do the sorting itself. So you simply preview. Now this time around we'll be able to see the report because we did the posting. Have you seen? This is what we posted as opening stock. So this comes in as the stock which we have because we have posted them. All those are coming in. So you have this as closing stock. Okay. That's where how it works. So now, what if I wanted to look at the raw materials? Okay, the raw materials. Let's see. You could simply go under raw materials warehouse. Only raw materials will show. So raw materials here and the preview. See what is going to happen. Raw material to be only raw materials, as you can see. These are pure raw materials. They are not king size and whatever. And these are the materials which are there. Okay, as simple as that. This is what you wanted. You see, we have put it there. No problem. So now, um, what if from here I wanted to manufacture a 1 king to a 10 king size from the material which we have? What are we gonna do? Just before that, I'll take you to the trial balance so that you see the entries which you have created. Okay, so now what I'll do this so that it becomes easier for you. Yeah, as you are going, yeah, you understand these things properly. You select the trial balance monthly only for that particular day so that you're able to follow the entries. So as you can see, the stock, total stock which we have, value of stock, we have 4.9 million. Okay, now, as you know, the debit when you are bringing in the stock, or which is the stock on the floor, not the bought one, which will show you later. The double entry is debit your stock because you are bringing them in into the system and credit your reserve and surplus. That's all. This journal is automatic. You don't have to do anything. There we are. Now, let's see what happens. As you can see, there's no work in progress and at the moment. Now, let's see, create a work in progress in here so that we see what happens. So work in progress, you go to view of material. Remember I'm saying, okay, let's make it, hold on. How many king size do we have here? First, we go back to the stock report and check it. How many king size do we have? How many king size do we have here? Right. We check, double check king size. How many do we have? Yeah. If you have a balcony, write the number of king size which we have. Yeah, because we require that figure. Okay. How many king size beds do we have? Okay, king size we have 50. Now I'm saying from the 50, let's increase it, let's manufacture 10 so that they become how many? Okay, let's manufacture 20 so that the closing stock goes to 70. Okay, yeah, that's what we want to do together while we are watching. Okay, Mhm. Now to manufacture, you have to come to inventory. Then bill of material. Okay, I think you have heard of bill of material, BOM, BOM. This is where, and when are we manufacturing? Today. Okay, fine. So you come here and you say, okay, as you can see now, under BOM, you are only seeing raw materials, not any other stock. Okay, so I'll start with the clothing. Okay, yeah. So here, let's say, okay, mm, we need, according to the production manager, they need 100. Okay, right? Okay, then okay, maybe all of them 100, all of them 100. For nails, they only need 2 kgs. Okay, all right. There's something which I think you watch, which I need to explain. Here, cotton maybe they need 100 as well. Then this one, wood, they need 50. Okay, so this one, special materials, maybe here they need 60. Okay, now if you check here, you will discover that the costing is coming through automatically. Why? Because it knows, remember the cost which we attached at the opening stock there. This is the one which will be coming in. And when you buy, then the system will do the averaging. Then you have the average costing coming in here. Okay, as simple as that. So we save that one, right? Then we can post our bomb. If you have made a mistake, you can still recall the journal here, okay, and do whatever you want, the amendment which you want before posting. Once we post it, forget it is gone. Okay, now let's post it in. Okay, so we post our journal here, right? Post, it's gone. Now, the next thing which we need to do is, let's see what has happened to our inventory. Okay, as we should see some deductions there. So you go to your stock report, then let's see what has happened to inventory, right? So, so that you are able to follow properly. We don't want problem issues to say no, the system does not do anything. Yeah, when things are when there is stock movement, look at what is happening now here. Check. Have you seen that those quantities which we are going to production, they go in as issues. So these are subtracted from whatever stock which is there. As you can see, 100 minus 20,000, you have 19,900, like that. Keeps on subtracting, like that. Okay? Now, what is the double entry which we have created automatically without us knowing what is happening in the background? Okay? Remember, we are not simply sending materials, we are also doing accounting at the same time. So you come here for balancing monthly, so that you are able to select for only that particular day. You select for that particular day and the preview. See now the double entry which is there. Okay? Check. See, the inventory or stock has been created with whatever has gone into work in progress. You see, there is this new account which has been debited here. You can see credit there and the debit here. Okay? As simple as that. Right? Now, since we said, okay, fine, instead of 20, let's see manufacture, okay, fine, we'll manufacture 20, no problem. Okay? So now, we have sent the raw materials there. But does it mean that it's only raw materials which need to be part of work in progress? The simple answer is no, sir. You still have some other overheads. There is water there. Then you have also labor. You have electricity there. Okay? Things like even depreciation is supposed to be part of it. Yeah, but for depreciation, I'll leave it now because I haven't put the fixed asset. But don't forget to apportion part of depreciation for those machines which you are running, which are running in production. There is wear and tear. Okay. So now let's see, say for the month of May, what was our total? Okay, before we do that, let's bring in the capital. That amount which you paid to Pakra, okay? Capital, okay? We need to bring in the capital as well, okay? here, because there is no way you can start doing all these things without capital. You realize at the end why capital is required. So capital here, let's say, okay, here, one, okay, quarter to quarter. Then here, I'll say share, uh, is it share capital or where, or how is it called? Mhm. Okay, if it's not coming like that, you can query it here. So we are saying, where is it? Um, oh, maybe it's called capital. Capital. Okay. Or is it equity? Okay, equity, share capital here. Here it is. So you select the share capital. So here we say being a capital. Okay, maybe let's write it properly. Being capital introduced any business. Mhm. All right. How much did you pay at Pakra? They will share certificate 15,000. Okay. Where did it come from? From cash. You paid cash, isn't it? So we simply copy this one. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. So 15,000. Yeah. Right. Oh, sorry. I've done it wrong. This is supposed to be the other way around. So, 15,000. Right. Okay. Once you write a check to Pakra, you credit this thing. That's it. This is it's just an introduction. The whole 15,000 will go to Pakra anyway at the end of the day. So you save it there. Okay. Now, here, let's start now making some journals which are going to production. Okay. So we are saying WIP, WIP, right? Okay. We are dealing with a pure kwacha now here. So salaries, how much was he used as labor in uh, uh, wages and salaries? Wages, uh, wages, wages. It's supposed to be salaries. Salaries. If it's not coming like that, you can just query it. So there it is. All right. Yeah. So here you can say WIP, but put the correct narration there. Okay. How much went to WIP? Maybe 1,200, right? Okay. Then what about water? How much went there? Water expense, WIP. Maybe also 1,800. I don't know. This is just for example. Then the other part is electricity. Electricity, yeah, expense. How much? Oh, WIP. How much electricity? 155. Okay. Yeah. Then this one came from cash. Okay. Cash book. So we paid that. So how much is the total? 4,550. Right? Yeah. Save. Yeah. If you have made a mistake, you can record the journal here. You just do this. That's it. All right. It will come back. Now we are done with this. So we close here. Let's post this journal so that we move on. Time is not with us. Yeah. So we post the first one. We post it like this. Okay. Done. Then the other one we post it like this. Done. Okay. Yeah. So now, if you check your pro balance now, see what has happened here. Okay, work in progress should have gone up. Okay, all right. Mhm. So work in progress must have gone up. All right. WIP, let's check. You see, you have all these expenses which are coming in. Okay, you have your share capital there. Work in progress is also work in progress. Did I take it to work in progress? That 4 5 4 5. Where is our 4 5? Okay. Oh, actually, we are now supposed to transfer these to there. Okay. Because we are just doing the expenses. So now let's say for all these 3,000 of whatever is there has gone up there to work in progress. So now what we'll do, we'll simply say, okay, let's go back there and create the last channel now. Okay, so we are going to say, okay, fine. Now, today, right? Okay, so WIP, okay, 1 to 1 because it's quarter to quarter. So we say salary is wages and salaries. Okay, transfer to WIP. Okay, I'll copy this so that I don't have to be repeating that. So here I'll put in my, okay, it's okay. If you want to put, you can put the cost center. We'll handle that one when we'll be doing the budgeting. So this one we are transferring how much? 1,000. Okay. Then where is it? Okay. Then the other one is electricity. We are transferring how much? 1,000 as well. The other one is water. We are transferring how much? 1,000 to make it 3,000. Okay. To where? Work in progress. Okay. How much? 3,000. Okay. So now all we need to do is to do the posting here. We post that. Yeah. Post. Yeah. Post. That's it. Done. So when we come here now to our trial balance here, monthly or for the day, because as whatever we do, we should be also monitoring what is happening. Yeah. So we do it like this. Let's see what is happening here. Okay. Have you seen these are the actual what has remained in the actual expense? Okay. Have you seen that WIP has gone up by 3,000? Okay. So this is the true reflection of what is actually lying in WIP. Okay. Now let's assume that okay, we manufacture 10 beds. Okay, 10 beds at 100 kwacha each. Okay, king size. What happens from there? What are we going to do? It's simple. We do this. So we have manufactured the finished king size. So you go under production journal. Okay, production journal, you select king size here. Okay, now when? Today. Okay, so today there, how many? 10. At what cost? Standard cost, you should have the cost card already created in maybe Excel, a printout properly signed by your directors. Your job is to simply put the cost or authorize the cost for each bed. Whatever remains there is in the work in progress. If that's the only thing which is everything is finished, it's either variance. Okay, either an adverse variance or a favorable variance, which you transfer to profit and loss. Now, you want to put them to where? To the main warehouse, which is here, right? Okay, have you seen that it has already done the costing for you here? Okay, so now, okay, this is all right. Now, select the date as above, all right? So have you seen that the costing is already done for you? So now all you need to do is simply um, save. Mhm. Now we saved that, but we need to post our journal. Where? Here. Mhm. So you select the journal there, okay, right, and the post. Done. Mhm. Now remember we had the 50 on king size. Now let's go there and check what has happened to our stock report. Has it gone up or it has gone down by 10? What do you think? Let's check. Let's check and confirm. Okay. These are finished goods. So we go under finished goods. We do it like this. So you select everything. No. Only king size alone. Okay. Or if you want, okay. If you want, you can select everything. No problem. So we want the king size. Our focus is on king size. We want to see whether it has gone up by 10, or if it hasn't gone up by 10, then you can see you have your 60 now here. We had 50, now we have 60 here. So production has gone in here. You remember we had an opening stock of 50, which has come here plus 10. So it's 50, so it's 60 here. Okay. Now let's transfer 30 from here to Leopard Hill. We want to see what happens here. Okay? Yeah, step by step. Now, before we transfer 30 there, so first let's check the variance that is being created here. All right? Yeah. We have a variance that is pending there, which we have to join it into P&L. Right? Okay, okay. Mhm. So it means that we still have stock to manufacture more beds. Okay, so that one is part of our current asset. Okay, why do I say so? Okay, so if you are not too sure about this, you go to the balance sheet and check. Okay, yeah, remember the balance sheet and the balance sheet, the income statement is being created automatically by the system. So when you come here, so that you understand what I'm talking about, you do it like this. See what is happening here. Okay. Let's check together so that we are moving together without others remaining behind. Let's see. The balance sheet is about to pop up. It's popping up anytime from now. Yeah. Let's see what we are talking about. Okay, have you seen this is our balance sheet? Have you seen work in progress? This is an asset, so it comes up there. Okay, you have a small profit. This I will show you where it's coming from. So the total there should match here. You can see this this part which is white is waiting for liabilities to be filled with liabilities. Okay, so your balance sheet skeleton is being created automatically. You do nothing. It's being created. So you don't have to worry about this. These are auto-generated. So you have everything in there. Similarly, even in the income statement here, okay, this one, it is being generated as well. Okay, it's being generated as well. So if I say for that particular day, okay, if I do this, I'll find that there are a few lines which are there. Yeah. to be able to see them. I think here I should have wages, water, and the what is the other one? Yeah, here we are. We have seen these operating expenses. Yeah, they are here. All right. While the income will come on in the white part here. Okay, on top. Once we have the invoices coming in. All right. That's what happens there. So everything is being done automatically. You don't have to do anything. So we were saying we wanted to transfer 30 king size from that 60 to Leopard Hill. Okay, so let's go there and do the transfer. The transfer is done here, branches accounting here, right? So you do it like this. When are you transferring? Today. Okay, here you say transfers. All right. Where are you from? Where? Here it says from the main warehouse. Remember, sometimes you can transfer raw materials. It depends. Okay. So, okay. So, the exchange rate is these are kwacha to kwacha. So, 1 to 1. What are we transferring here, people? King size. How many? Let's say, okay, for argument, you can see the costing also comes automatically here. To where? To Real Party Hill. Real Party Hill here. Okay, that's the branch. So how many? 30. So when we do that, we expect in the main warehouse, since we are the 60, we should remain with 30. While Real Party Hill should show king size how many? 30. So add. Okay. So now, if you come here and say stock report and do this, okay, do this, all right. Yeah, doesn't want. Yeah. Want to see that king size should remain with 30 only. Okay. Have you seen king size is remaining with how many? Yeah. The transfer, because of the transfer here we had 60 now, there is only 30. Okay. This is okay. This is what we want to achieve. What about Leopard Hill? If I come here and change now the warehouse to Leopard Hill, are we going to see that 30 there? Okay, let's wait and see. There we are. We have the 30 coming in here, right? Yeah. Now, the 30 is coming in here. Now, what about the transfer slip? Okay, the transfer slip, don't forget, you need to print it so that the driver can go with it. It's very important. So transfer slip, we need to print it so that it accompanies the goods. Okay, there we are. So this is the transfer slip for 30 king size, as you can see it here. Okay, it shows there. All right, where these beds are going, property, your destination is property you. Okay, okay. Driver signs, the receiver signs there. As simple as that. Okay, done. Now, let's assume that we want to order the raw materials. They are not now enough of these. The finished goods opening stock is running out. Let's assume that now we want to, okay, let's check first what is in our stock. Okay, raw materials in. We can say, okay, raw materials in, what is there? Okay, yeah, okay, raw materials. I just hope that we can do this quickly. Okay, raw materials, okay. Raw materials, okay. How many are there in the stock? Okay, we have these as closing 19,200. So here, okay, let's order, let's say 100 each. Okay, so if you have a camera there, capture these figures because you might want to compare. Okay, capture them somewhere. Okay, I'll give you a bit of time. Capture those. Capture those. I'm still waiting. Capture those. Yeah, because you want to see what happens when you order. Capture those, please. Capture now. Capture now. I hope you have done so. I hope you have done so. Okay, fine. Let's move on. Okay, close here. Hmm. So, before you order, you need to check whether you have a supplier. Okay, we have any supplier here? We have one there. Okay, waterfall suppliers. Okay, yeah. So now let's press an order. Okay, you press an order here. Here, create a purchase order here, right? Okay, so okay, purchase order here. Let's say, okay, these are based in South Africa. Okay, so what we do? Okay, here, right? Okay, so let's say these are for production. Okay, currency ZAR. Set, then delivery soon. Okay, soon. Delivery, okay, payment terms soon, or you can say 30 days or whatever it is. Quotation is we didn't use any quotation. Okay, so now we say, okay, we are ordering what? Clothes, these are raw materials. Okay, now how many? 100. Remember, we agreed 100 at 5.6 rands. Okay, all right, all right. Then what are the raw materials? Nails, okay. How many? 100 at 4.56 rands. Okay. Then we have cotton material. How many? 100. Okay. 5.63. Okay. Then we have wood material. How many? Again, 100 at 9.56. This is timber actually. This one made special materials also 100 at 3.3 that. Okay. Okay. Then we can save it. Okay. If you want to retrieve that order, you can edit it, no problem. Yeah, here. You simply come back here. It will still come back. There's no issue. Okay. Now, if you want to print an order, you simply do it like this, like this. Okay. Select the date. Then you come here, select the order number 1, print it here. Right? There we are. You have your order properly done. Okay. There we are. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's in ZAR. Okay. So now, let's assume that we have received these materials. What happens? What do you think? You have to go under the GRIN now. This GRIN comes in here. Okay. So now you select. Let's assume that they came by plane. Okay. Maybe we were so fast. So you select the order. Your job is to select the order here. All right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, exit. I think it is something which I didn't do properly. Okay. Uh, this is okay. I'll explain it later. Okay. Save. Oh, supplier name. So here, what we do is we say maybe we have received these things today. You select the order number there. Then here, what you do is you put the exchange rate, which might be like this. Then see what happens when you select waterfalls. Okay, it brings back now. It copies from the purchase order and bring everything here to make what is called the GRIN. Have you seen this? Okay, so you save, this is what you save. Okay, now, what if these need to come with mm, let me put this thing. Okay, I put it this side. We need to make sure that this GRIN, we bring it back because we have to do the costing here. All right, we have to attach the cost element here, right? Yeah, like this. Because see, there are issues like freight. What do you think? Freight should be there. So maybe here you paid 1,000 for freight, 500 a kwacha for insurance, and the 60 kwacha handling charges. Customs fee maybe 2,500. Other charges maybe 33 kwacha. Update here. Yeah, right? Yeah. So you can save here. So what has happened to there? So if you do this, have you seen that it has done the costing for you? The freight is costed, insurance and everything. This is the total cost of bringing the materials to Zambia, right? So we save there. Okay, the next thing, all we need to do, if you want to print the journal, the GRIN, what do? You come here and print it here. Now I'm running out of time very soon now. Yeah. Running out of time. Yeah, I'm running out of time now. Okay, this is your GRIN. Now, because of time, I may not go in details. I just want to show you. Let's post this and close this one. This thing is complaining now. This, we don't have enough time. So close there. Okay, posted, right? So now, if you go to your inventory here, all right, inventory stock report C, those hundreds which we brought in, they will be showing in there, all right? Let's see, let's move quickly. Yeah. So let's move quickly and see what happens. Oh, sorry, these are finished goods. I'm looking at the wrong report. So those were raw materials which we are supposed to look at, raw materials. So we look at the raw materials here. These are all raw materials. We should be able to see those items which we got at. Okay, have you seen? They are here as purchases. I think it's clear. I think for now, let me not overload you. This video, I'll cut it so that you have more time to go through it. Okay, this is where we'll end here. From here, we'll take it further to purchases, to payments. We have done the procurement together. We have brought the stock from inventory, from opening stock to the warehouses. We have done the production. Now we have done the procurement. So what is remaining is the sales, where you want to see commission and everything there. Then we have also the receipts, mode of receiving the money, which will show you on the next video. All those will come. Okay. So now for today, I think we can end by looking at the trial balance so that you see the new accounts which are generated here. So we should be able to see a new account called the GRIN suspense waiting for an invoice. You will be able to see how to capture an invoice when we do the next video. Okay. For now, we can see now how it has, what has happened. So you can see this one, the GRIN. This is the cost of the cost of what? The goods which we have purchased from RSA. Okay, this is what has happened there, right? Okay, perfect. Nothing is the branch accounting. Can you still remember this? Also those transfers which we have made. So everything is okay there, right? Okay, we end here. Yeah, next video will cover we are going to cover the sales, the payments, receipts, cash books, and